is so nice though. Like, wow, look at that. It's so pretty. You don't always get a view like this because it's always hot in the morning. Like right now, it should be like really hot because I couldn't come here to run for a week because it's like so hot in the morning and I don't really want to run in that weather, you know. I ran for 2 km just now and I'm just gonna, I think, run for another 2 laps and just go back. Finished showering and drying my hair. I only have 1 class today which starts at 2. I'm going to prepare my lunch because I'll be eating outside.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Nyala. Aduh. I just finished my lunch. I think it's still very early. We have another hour until class. Maybe I came here too early, but I don't know, I just don't want to be stuck in the jam, you know. I'd rather be here early, so like, it's fine. Since we have another hour, I'm going to the library in my faculty, so let me show you around my place. Hello, I've just finished my class. It's so hot in the classroom today because there's no water. So apparently the aircon doesn't work as well. So like, yeah, we had to sit. It was so hot, oh my god. Hello. I don't have any physical class today. Just one online class at 2 p.m. So I think I'm pretty free for today. That's why I'm going to be cleaning my room because it's like, it is a mess. Like, no, it's actually a mess. Like, look at this. Haha. Haha. No, like before you say anything, it's the things that I always use, like my GoPro box and my bag from yesterday and all this stuff that I'm going to try to clean because I always just put them around, and like, to be realistic, it comes back to this. Wow, would you look at that? it is done. I know this isn't the neatest and like there's still a lot of things, but this is the best that I can get. And this isn't supposed to be how you store your headphones, but like I cannot find the bag to put it, so that's just how I'm gonna leave it for now. So for lunch, I am thinking of making this quinoa wraps queen. And then we will knit tofu for miso soup, and also this, yeah. And with that, our miso soup is done. I think there's too much things in here, but it's okay, it's nice. And our quinoa wrap with chicken floss and egg is done. So I'm going to eat now.
I decided.
Hey, I'm actually having my lunch right now.
The two of you.
Perfect.
Okay.
And our bed is done. Yay! With my plushies just chilling, and here's my desk. That's sort of organized, you know, it's not the neatest. And then over here is my mirror. We have our rug that's clean, and my study table with a little bit of mess here and there, and this very messy wire that I don't know how else I can make it convenient for me. But it's okay. Hello friends, this is an update. I don't know if you can hear, but I'm still having my class at the back, but I'm lying on my bed because I'm sleepy. Hopefully I don't fall asleep.
Because
Sorry doctor, I think it's because like dogs and cats, you usually keep them as household pets. It's like they're called dog food or cat food, but you don't call chicken food or chicken feed. Like there's a difference between the livestock and like animals and pets.
yeah, that's the answer.
It's currently 7:15. I'm a bit late. Not really late, but like, yeah. I am leaving for my class that starts at 8 today, so let's go. I'm here at school already. I don't know if I parked well actually, but it looks like I did. I don't know. I might have to adjust though, because I don't like to park like this. I think I should have parked at like behind, you know, I should have reverse parked. But it's okay. It's okay.
Kita beauty berapa?
13, I think. Wanna say hi?
Hi. Good morning.
Hi.
What? Hi.
Hi. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Hello，我们的 class 完了，我们要睡觉。 There's me. Oh my god. There's me with my dogs. Peanut. Ayo. Peanut. I am at school. Look, it's actually so pretty. Wow, it's so nice. We just finished our class.
We just finished our class
It was
and
a bit boring.
today I am going to be the first passenger of elvie and Tomijun.
Okay, enough.
Hebat betul parking you. I'm
What
impressed.
is your kanxiang after sitting in my car?
I feel safe.
Hello, it is very hot. I
Waalaikumsalam.
parked my car 3 times.
Yes.
Yes, I'm so good at this.
No, she chose the parking 3 times.
Yes.
Yes.
Actively stops parking.
And she stopped parking in the middle of the road.
We are going to class.
Yes. And
Yes.
guess who decided to stop parking because she
was
wants to be
tired.
in the middle of the road?
Me. Hello. It's actually raining right now. Look, it's a bit scary to drive in this weather, and I'm not so used to it yet. So I am going to drive slowly. Morning. Today is the last day of the video, and I'm very excited for this week to end already. Because things are gonna get very hectic. Like, we already have the announcement of like next week's assignment and all that, so I'm not really looking forward to that. Hi. Hi. Hi, Mickey 来 Mickey 你不要跳我，不要跳我，不要跳我，乖乖，看那边。Mickey 不要过来的 Mickey 哎呦，拜拜。拜拜，拜拜，拜拜，不要去上课了，拜拜，不要忙着了，拜拜。Hello, I'm here at school. Look, my class should be somewhere over there. Like, this is actually di Kepi Lama. Like, I haven't had class in here for a long time. Like, I think 2 years. I think it was since my foundation. It's me. We are trying to find where our class is. I don't know where is it. 那边啊？那边啊？ Why is this sound so scary? What? Oh, okay. We found our class. Oh my god. That's a lot of people. This is a lot of people. I'm scared. Hello, we are struggling in class. We need help. I need help. We need help. I wanna die. We are dying. Help me. Hello. Our lecture is finished. The lecturer is still at the back. We are struggling. Yes. This place looks really pretty actually. I really like it. I haven't been here in a long while though. So yeah. The class just now was okay. Very stressful actually. Because it's a new thing and it's like, hold on, let me just, like, it's quite tough. It's not like, okay, it's actually like data analysis you have like statistics and stuff, and it's quite hard, so I don't really like I don't know, I'm not really looking forward to it compared to other subjects though. So yeah, it's okay. Since I don't have any other classes for today, that will be all for my week 1 of semester 4. I really enjoyed this entire process of filming and sharing this memory with you, and just like getting used to my semester after a month-long sem break. So if you like this video, feel free to leave a thumbs up or leave any comment down below of what I can do to improve or other content that I can shoot. And I would really appreciate it if you can subscribe to my channel. So that would be all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!